Hello, boys and girls. So today is our second lesson, and today we're going to talk about, again, foundations of numbers, and more specifically, we're going to decompose and compose numbers. So what does that mean? Let's go ahead and get started. So on our first slide right here, this is what we're going to be doing today. So I can compose and decompose numbers. This is what we're going to learn about. So let's go ahead and learn, what does composing numbers actually mean? So to compose a number, it means that you're putting together some items or you're joining groups of numbers to make another set of bigger numbers. So an example of that is, let's look at our smiley faces right here. I'm gonna put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7 smiley faces, okay, together, and these give me a group of 7 smiley faces, right? So this right here is my group. So I just composed a group of 7 smiley faces. So I have 7 smiley faces that I just composed, right? Okay, perfect. So that was composing numbers. Now let's look at decomposing numbers. So what does that mean to decompose numbers? It means we are breaking apart numbers. So this DE in the front, it tells us that we are breaking something apart, okay? So let's take a look at our butterflies right here. Let's see how many butterflies do we have. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 butterflies. So we have a group of 7 butterflies. Now, how can we decompose this group of 7 butterflies? We have so many different ways to break apart this number. We can have 1, 2, 3, a group of 3, and a group of 4 butterflies, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So if we look at this, we're gonna have 2 groups, one group of 3 butterflies and another group of 4 butterflies. So if we add them together, this gives us 7 butterflies, a group of 7 butterflies. So this is how I was able to take a group of 3 and a group of 4 to give me a group of 7. Now, there's other ways that we can break up our butterflies or decompose our group of butterflies. Here's a different way, and I'm gonna make this in pink this time. So let's say that I want one group of 2 butterflies, 1 and 2, and the rest are gonna form their own group. So how many butterflies are gonna be in my second group? I'm gonna have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 butterflies in my other group. So my next way of decomposing these butterflies was to make a group of 2 butterflies and another group of 5 butterflies. And again, they still give me my 7 butterflies. But this was just a different way of me breaking up my 7 butterfly group. So the first way again was to break them up into a group of 3 and 4 to give me 7. The second way was to break them up into a group of 2 and 5, and it still gives me 7. So I'm still getting to the same number. All right, let's move on to the next slide. So as an example, we are going to compose numbers, and we're gonna use our blocks that we used last time. So I'll see you in the next video, and we're gonna compose this time. All right.